I just want to clarify regarding the eligibility and minimum investment amounts based on new units. Can a legal entity or a business entity open, apply for multiple units? Thank you.
Can you please? Yeah.
I wanted clarity on, can a business entity or a legal entity apply for multiple units for UNNATI?
Multiple projects.
Yes, sir. For different nature of
Under the
works.
scheme, you can apply only once. One entity, one project. Yes.
Hello, sir. Same question here. Mr. Bhavan, right side or on the left. The same question I would like to clarify. If I have an industry and if I would like to open two, for example, in the food industry and in the chemical industry. So if I have two projects, then can I go for claiming or reimbursement on different?
No, only one.
Only one.
Only one.
Under my name. Okay.
I think, sir, it is possible if he opens into names, enterprises, like.
Just for the clarity, sir, we can, a company can have multiple
Two
units.
separate entity can be possible.
For the clarity, sir, I just want to clarify
Yes, that is the challenge.
that one company can open multiple units
Sir, I
with
think,
multiple GST.
there is a solution to it, sir. Please, we can.
With the same PAN and GST, though it's not.
No, GST,
I
we can have multiple GST. Based on multiple units, we can have different GST.
ಅದು already yaai.
Okay.
Different
if we have
GST already yaai.
But one company doesn't have 2 GST, 3 GST. It's not possible. कुछ
Okay.
भी बोलता है.
One business unit can open multiple units with multiple GST. That is clear.
See, I think this question actually, why this question has come is because under GST registration laws, it is allowed one entity to have different GST numbers also under GST registration laws. So that is one provision which sometimes people are trying to use as a, but then in that case, we will, at least at our stage, at the PIU stage, we will see it as an expansion case. We will not see it as a new unit, basically. We will see it as an expansion case. But if, the DPIT or SLC or other stakeholders, they take a different view, that is fine. But at least from my end, I will see it as an expansion case.
So
that is where you are coming from, I think.
So in that case, we can combine both the industry in one DPR, and we can claim the whole DPR.
No, so it's very simple. So under one GSTN number, you can claim only one project.
Okay.
It's very simple. But if you want to use this GST registration law, I will not say it's a loophole, but it's a provision that one entity can have multiple GST numbers, and then if you apply, for me, I will check it as an expansion case, not as a new. Because under expansion, you are not eligible to get the MSLA. So it's something I'll put my comment on.
Thank you, that's all.
That's right.